Today, I'm going to teach you how to set automatic feedback for responses in Google Forms quizzes. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows students or participants to receive instant feedback on their answers, helping them learn from their mistakes without you having to manually grade each response. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has access to the quiz you want to edit. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, look for the section labeled Recent Forms. This displays all the forms you've created or worked on recently. From this list, click on the quiz form where you want to set up automatic feedback responses. This will open the form in edit mode, allowing you to make the necessary changes. Now, direct your attention to the top toolbar of the form editor. You'll see several options there, and you need to click on Settings. This is where you'll access all the configuration options for your form, including quiz settings that control how responses are scored and displayed. Once the settings panel opens, navigate to the option that says Make this a quiz. You'll need to toggle this on if it isn't already enabled. Turning this on transforms your regular form into a quiz, which unlocks features like point values, answer keys, and automatic feedback. Give it a moment to save this change. After enabling the quiz mode, click on Questions to return to the main editing view of your form. This brings you back to where you can see all the questions you've added to your quiz. Now, click on your first question to select it. Once selected, look for the answer key option that appears at the bottom of the question. Click on it to open the answer key panel. This is where you'll designate which answers are correct and assign point values. In the answer key panel, click the circle beside the correct answer. This marks it as the right response and ensures that participants who select it will receive the points you've assigned. Next, you'll see an option to add answer feedback. Click on it to expand the feedback section. This is where the magic happens. You'll now have fields for both incorrect answers and correct answers. Start by clicking on Incorrect Answer. In the text field that appears, enter your preferred feedback message. For example, you might type something like, "That's not correct," or provide more detailed guidance to help them understand the mistake. Then, click on Correct Answers and enter the feedback you want participants to see when they get the answer right. You could write something encouraging like, "Great job," or add more specific praise related to the question. Once you've entered both feedback messages, click Save to confirm your changes. The system will store these settings and apply them automatically whenever someone submits the quiz. If you have multiple questions in your quiz, simply repeat these steps for each one. Click on the next question, open the answer key, select the correct answer, add your feedback for both correct and incorrect responses, and save. This ensures every question provides helpful, immediate feedback to your participants. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic feedback for your Google Forms quiz, making it more interactive and educational for everyone who takes it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.